CDC and other White House officials meeting with a House panel in D.C. to discuss the government's plan to stop the spread of Ebola right here in the U.S. The CDC director really is facing some tough questions. And this comes after that second nurse, Amber Vinson, was diagnosed with Ebola after treating a patient who died from it. This is her picture right here. You've probably been seeing this today. Many wonder how she was able to fly on a commercial flight back and forth between Ohio while she had a fever. Now, one of those Frontier airplanes she flew in is now at DIA. It's getting cleaned right now. This is the plane coming in. The planes flew back and forth between Dallas and Cleveland. Now, while it is hard to contract this virus, some schools in Ohio and Texas are closed today just as a precaution. They're cleaning everything, fearing some students and staff may have come in contact with that sick nurse. So Jennifer Kowaleski is live in the newsroom where she's been monitoring this CDC hearing in D.C. She joins us now with the latest.
With all of the recent developments and a second Dallas nurse now diagnosed with Ebola, the hearing already getting heated. It started just an hour ago and is being held by the subcommittee on oversight and investigations. The focus is on the role of public health agencies and their efforts to prevent the spread of Ebola here in the U.S. This is a live look from inside the hearing right now in D.C. You can see all of the witnesses sitting in front of Congress, including from the CDC and Texas Health Resources. Some members of Congress calling for travel restrictions from Africa beginning today. The hearing will also discuss how prepared our ports, points of entry, and healthcare facilities are to diagnose and treat Ebola after new allegations have called out the Texas Health Presbyterian facility in Dallas for being unprepared to fight the disease. We could learn new information about what protocols were and weren't followed at the facility where Thomas Eric Duncan was treated. The subcommittee already offering strong words about the response to Ebola. Take a listen.
People are scared. We need all hands on deck. We need a strategy, and we need to protect the American people, first and foremost. It's not a drill. People's lives are at stake, and the response so far has been unacceptable.
Now, the hearing is expected to last through most of the day, with witnesses from the National Institutes of Health, Food and Drug Administration, and Department of Homeland Security all expected to testify. Live in the newsroom, Jennifer Kowaleski, 7 News.